Turning now to the return of the coronavirus pandemic and the return to the classroom, the Archdiocese of Detroit sending out its guidelines for the upcoming school year.
And here are the differences between the Archdiocese of Detroit and the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. The Archdiocese encourages vaccines but does not require them, and masks are not required. As for the health department, they're asking anyone who's not vaccinated to continue masking up.
Vaccination rates right here in Michigan are low among children. Right now, kids under the age of 12 cannot receive a vaccine. Nearly 30% of children between the ages of 12 and 15 have had at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. That number then jumps to just over 40% for teens between the ages of 16 and 19.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell joins us now live with a detailed look at the Archdiocese plan. And Kim, what do you think about these rules? What are people thinking?
People have a variety of reactions. It's actually quite controversial. I spoke to a couple parents with kids that were planning to go to a different school. I'm at Cabrini High School, and those parents told me, you know what? One of them said, if unvaccinated students aren't wearing masks, I don't know if I feel safe sending my children. Another parent said, thank goodness, I don't want my kids wearing masks. The Archdiocese weighing in. This is a look at the plan released by the Archdiocese of Detroit to its Catholic schools. The message: the Archdiocese is mostly making recommendations, not mandates. Those recommendations? Vaccination against COVID-19 is not required, but strongly encouraged for employees and eligible students as an act of love of our neighbor and part of our moral responsibility for the common good. Plus, while the CDC recommends masks for the unvaccinated, the AOD says it will not require them. However, schools can implement rules more or less strict than these recommendations.
I really trust in the administration here, and hopefully we do the right thing and it all pans out.
Cabrini High School Athletic Director Steve Doland says school leaders, such as the administration at Cabrini, now are working on their own plans, considering the recommendations.
At what point do you say, go back to normal? Will we ever get back to normal?
Doland asks that question knowing that we could see an increase in cases come fall. So rules that make sense now might not make sense later. At the same time, he says at Cabrini High, he was proud of all the work they did to keep kids safe and in-person learning last year with social distancing, sanitation, and masks. He says if they ease restrictions and have issues, the school knows what to do, and that everyone needs to work together.
If you're a parent and your kid has any symptoms, child has any symptoms, don't send them to school and let's monitor it.
And that's one of the requirements in the Archdiocese recommendations, that schools tell parents that they have to immediately communicate any suspected COVID-19 cases. Health departments say that they've worked with schools in Metro Detroit and that schools have done a great job in general across the board at preventing the spread of COVID-19 within their school communities. Reporting live in Allen Park, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
All right, Kim, we appreciate that update. Thank you.